Diwali is round the corner and potentially you are high on sugar, low on sleep, which means your skin is not looking the best version of itself. So today, let's talk about it. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. My name is Nipun, your skincare bestie, now a certified skincare consultant, and this is a really special video. It is my skincare for Diwali edition. Now, when Diwali sort of is around the corner, we are also busy traveling, meeting our relatives, going out gifting. Then obviously there are the parties that happen pre-Diwali, which means a lot of late nights, and this kind of has an impact on all of our skins. So I decided to make a video with my top hacks. Some of these are pre-makeup skincare hacks. Some can be used anytime during the day, even in your nighttime skincare routine. These are my absolute favorite, tried and tested skincare hacks that will make sure you glow as bright as you can this Diwali. So let's get into it. Before we do, consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. I create new videos every Sunday, Wednesday and Friday. Now let's get started. Hydrate, hydrate and hydrate. This has to be the key mantra for absolutely beautiful glowing skin, because when your skin is hydrated, it looks plump, it looks glowy, it looks fresh. During Diwali, we're also busy traveling, meeting people, attending parties, and our water intake tends to go a little low, which is not good for your body. It's definitely not good for your skin. So this is the time to load up on all of your hydrating toners, all of your hydrating serums. I have a secret hack that I love to do, not just during Diwali, but anytime I want to look super hydrated and plump, and that is a sheet mask hack. It's not about just washing your face and putting on your sheet mask. No, it is not. Let me show you what is it that I like to do to get my skin to be super plump and glowy for Diwali. This hack, you need to first mist your face. So I'm using the Sunday Riley Pink Juice Peptide Essence. This is supremely hydrating. Then you're going to make a cocktail. You will take your snail mucin essence and your hyaluronic acid serum, mix it up together. First my hyaluronic acid serum, Skin Proud, then 2 pumps of my snail mucin essence. I'm going to mix it all up in my hands, and it's going to be a thick layer that will go onto my face. Then I'm going to apply my sheet mask, and this will double, triple the impact. Wait for 10 minutes and see the magic. All my girls who have oily skin have this big problem, not just during Diwali, but even otherwise, that makeup dust doesn't tend to stick. It tends to melt away, it tends to shift because our body and our face is producing a lot of oil. One hack that I do recommend, you should definitely try this Diwali, and that is to ensure that before you do your makeup, as a part of your skincare routine, you do apply a salicylic acid mask or a clay mask. I love the one from Ordinary. The salicylic mask is amazing. You can use the Cool Plunge from Ole Henriksen. Just apply any mask because that is ideal. But let's say you have combination skin the way I do. My cheeks, my forehead, my chin area extremely dry, and my nose is on an overdrive of oils. What do? Let me share it with you. A salicylic acid based mask is the best for taking care of your oily T-zone, or if you're oily all over. Since my T-zone is oily, I'm using the Cool Plunge by Ole Henriksen. This is a salicylic acid based mask, and I'm applying it all over my T-zone. I'm also going to extend it to a center part of my forehead and my neck where I have hormonal acne. For the sides of my face which get very dry, I'm using the Boots number 7 mask. This is their hydrating mask. If you don't have this, you can just apply a thick layer of aloe vera gel. It works the same. Wait for 10 minutes. Now let me give you a secret tip before we go any further. If you have sensitive skin, if you are prone to breakouts, acne, things like that, during this time, at least a week before Diwali, avoid your actives like retinol, your BHA. Also try avoiding your vitamin C, because chances are you're eating out, you're not eating healthy, you could be prone to breakouts, and these products can aggravate it. So it's no big deal. Just take a break from your actives. But there is a product that you should be using, especially during Diwali, at least once or twice a week, and that is your lactic acid serum. It is the only active that is gentle. It doesn't break you out, and it gives you instant glow, and by instant glow I mean overnight glow. I recommend the one from The Ordinary or the Inky List, but if you have a little more time to spare, the one from Sunday Riley, the Good Genes, is fantastic. Now the lactic acid serum is supposed to be applied at night on clean, dry face, you take a pump or 2 drops, apply it all over your face, avoid your under eye, side of the nose and the side of your mouth. Smooth it over, wait for 5 minutes and then go in with a gentle cream or a moisturizer and you wake up to super glowy skin the very next day. Now let's move forward. Now I'm going to give you my very favorite skincare makeup hack, if that's even a thing. And that is, if you're above the age of 30 or 35, if you have a little bit of fine lines, wrinkles, frown lines, whatever it may be, start including arginine in your pre-makeup skincare routine. This is how you're going to do it. To make sure your skin looks plump and tight, use arginine all over your face. Your face should be a little damp. I'm using the 10% arginine from Ordinary. The consistency is like water. It is super liquidy. So what you're going to do is take a few drops on your palm. First pat it on your face and then massage it really well. Take it under your eyes, take it on your smile lines, take it wherever your fine lines appear and keep massaging it so the product gets absorbed. The product will not get fully absorbed, so you will have to just about wait for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and then go in with your face cream. Then you can apply your primer and the rest of the makeup. So I have this one line that you cannot see on camera, and it is a frown line on my forehead. It is a little more prominent than anything else. In fact, that is the only line that is actually prominent. And using arginine as a part of my pre-makeup routine over the last couple of months has actually been life-changing. I have not been using it consistently in my nighttime skincare routine because I have so many things to use and layer, but I have been specifically using it and testing the product out as to how it performs under makeup, and oh my god, it works. Definitely it's not Botox, so it's not going to tighten your skin, but it does have a temporary impact, and that is fantastic. That is what you need for those Diwali parties, so don't sleep on this ingredient. Now, speaking of makeup skincare, one huge problem that I see during Diwali is not getting enough sleep. So it is very common to have puffy eyes. It is super common for your dark circles to be aggravated. And one ingredient that works really well on puffy eyes and dark circles, and this is temporary dark circles, is caffeine. So if you can get your hands on the caffeine solution by Inky List, the caffeine solution by The Ordinary, that is something that you can opt for. But a caffeine solution can be a little drying under the eyes. I actually prefer caffeine based eye creams. You get it in Caffeine & Co. You actually get it in the Inky List. I love the one from Sunday Riley. It also has caffeine and vitamin C. It is the autocorrect. And here is the hack that you need to make sure your eyes don't look puffy at all when you're applying your makeup. Check it out. Particular hack, we are using my Sunday Riley autocorrect eye cream and the NYX Bear With Me concealer. First, going to go in with the eye cream. I'm going to take a very little amount, put it on the palm of my hands, and then add in the concealer. I'm only taking 1 pump of concealer, but you can take as much as you need if you need higher coverage. Mix it up and you get a super liquid consistency like this, and then start patting it down your under eye area. This is a very liquid consistency, so it's going to take a while to set. So what I like to do is pat it down exactly where I need coverage, wait for 2 minutes, and then I go in with the damp beauty blender and I start blending it out. Now at this point, if you need more coverage, add a little more concealer, but I like it watered down, so this is good for me. That's it. If you're sitting on the fence on hydrogel patches thinking that they're useless and they don't work, well, it's time to come on the other side of the fence, because hydrogel patches do work, but you need to have realistic expectations. They cannot magically remove your wrinkles, they cannot magically remove your dark circles, but when they are cooled in the refrigerator and applied under the eyes, they are amazing at depuffing your eyes. So what I recommend is you do this. Keep your under eye patches on while you're doing your eye makeup. That is a life-changing hack, and then follow it up with the rest of the routine. Let me show you how. I absolutely love under eye hydrogel patches. These ones that I'm using are from a brand called Pankangul. It is a Korean brand. I got these off iHerb. Supremely hydrating. I use them pretty much every morning if I feel my eyes are puffy. And that's it. Just put them on, smooth them over, tap a little bit, leave them on while you do the rest of your eye makeup, and you're good to go. Diwali is such a great time of the year. We get to meet our friends, our families, have so much fun together, but do not ignore your skin. And it doesn't matter how late you are coming back from the Diwali party, please double cleanse, and you need a super simple routine. And this is my 3-step Diwali skincare routine. This routine is only applicable for the Diwali time when you're dead tired after the parties. After that, you roll up to something more extensive. But here is your 3-step Diwali nighttime skincare routine. Let's start our 3-step nighttime skincare routine. If I'm wearing a lot of makeup and I'm in a hurry, I like to use micellar water. I basically take 2 cotton pads and soak them really well with micellar water, and then I directly take them onto my eyes. By doing so, I melt all of the makeup quickly and I reduce my time for double cleansing. Especially when you're wearing a lot of makeup, waterproof mascara, so and so forth. This is what I'm doing. I'm pressing it on very gently and basically taking out all of the eye makeup. Next, I go in with my cleansing balm. You know the drill. We massage it onto dry face, massage it really well. Obviously, since I've done one part of the removal of makeup, I'm going to go really quick with it, taking it into all the nooks and crannies. This is super important. Wash it off, then go in with your cleanser. I'm using the Tatcha Rice Cleanser. It is expensive, but here I'm putting out all the dupes that are available for this product that work literally the same. Basically, foam this up into your palms and then massage it really well. Again, focus on your hairline. No matter how tired you are, wash it off. Then you can go in with a nice heavy cream, but I like to use a gentle serum. I'm using the Luna Retinol Oil Serum. This is by Sunday Riley. It is super gentle, doesn't irritate the skin, gives you the glow, and this is what I use, especially when I'm not using any other actives. And that's it. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this video. I'm trying a new format where I talk through one part of the video and show you the application in another part, and by doing so, I hope that I'm able to clarify and omit any confusion, if at all. If you're enjoying this format, do leave me your comment in the comment section and let me know. Also, please give me your feedback as to how can I improve on my videos. I hope you have a great Diwali. Spend a lot of time with your family and your loved ones. I will see you in the next one. If you're still watching the video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Take great care of yourself. Bye.